Potato curry or aloo dum. It's a wonderful curry recipe, very tasty, goes very well with naan, roti, pulao. And this recipe is prepared with baby potatoes, but it can be prepared with any potato. So, hello everyone, welcome to Full House Kitchen. So, let's start the recipe. So, our first step is to parboil our baby potatoes. So, here I'm adding salt into the water, and in the cold water only we are going to add our peeled baby potatoes. And if you're using big potatoes, then just peel it and cut it into big chunks. And we are going to boil for around 12 to 14 minutes until it's half cooked. So just check with the fork. If it is fork tender and it's half cooked, then your potatoes are done. It roughly takes around 12 to 14 minutes. Once your potatoes are half cooked, we are going to take it out. Here I am adding 3 tablespoons of oil into a pan, and we are going to cook our potatoes until it's nice and golden. So just add the potatoes, cook on medium heat and keep stirring now and then until our potatoes are nice and golden. It takes roughly around 8 to 10 minutes, and it gives a very nice texture to the potato and also adds the flavor to the curry. Our potato is looking good, so now we are going to take out our potatoes. And in the same oil, we are going to add our seasoning. And for seasoning, here I am using 2 bay leaves, 3 to 4 red chili, and a teaspoon of cumin seed. Once the seasoning is cooked, we are going to add onion. Here I am adding 3 medium size of onion, or you can have 2 large size of onion, finely chopped. And we are going to cook onion until it's translucent. And as you can see, our onion is looking good. So now we are going to add finely chopped ginger, half an inch of ginger finely chopped, 3 to 4 garlic finely chopped, and I'm adding 2 to 3 green chili, which is completely optional. I'm going to have this curry with puri, so I want the curry to be a little bit spicy, but control your chili intake according to your spice level. So now we are going to cook the ginger and garlic with the onion for another 1 to 2 minutes, just until the ginger garlic is nicely cooked. Added some salt as well, which helps the onion and garlic to cook fast, and it's all looking good, so we are ready to add our spices. So here I'm adding around 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder, which is coriander, cumin and red chili mix, half a teaspoon of sabji masala, any curry powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, and half a teaspoon of turmeric. And we are also going to add some water, which helps our masala to cook well. So just now cook your masala for another 2 to 3 minutes, and keep adding water if it gets dry. And after 2 to 3 minutes, we are going to add our tomatoes. It's been 3 minutes, our masala is looking good. So here I am adding around 2.5 tablespoons of chopped canned tomato. You can add fresh tomato as well. And we are going to cook this further for another 2 to 3 minutes. So just what we want to make sure that your masala is nicely cooked and the oil has separated, and just keep on stirring now and then and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. If you want, you can cover and cook as well. I'm also adding here some sugar. I'm using brown sugar. You can use normal sugar or jaggery. Sugar gives a nice balance to the curry. Some kasuri methi. Kasuri methi adds wonderful flavor. And some fried onion, which I have, so it is completely optional. I'm just adding it. All these ingredients gives a very nice extra flavor to the curry. So just give it a mix, and then we are going to add our potatoes. After adding the potatoes, I like to cook the potatoes with the spices for 1 to 2 minutes, but it's completely optional. If you are in rush, you can just add the potatoes and add the water for the curry. So I'm just going to cook the potatoes with the masala for another 1 to 2 minutes, and then I'm going to add the water. I always prefer to add hot water to the curry. So here I'm adding around 1.5 cup of water. Again, it depends upon what kind of consistency you want for the curry. Add the water accordingly. I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala here, and just let the curry boil. And once you are happy with the consistency of the curry and the potatoes are nicely cooked, your curry is almost ready. Our curry is looking good. For finishing touch, adding some coriander leaves finely chopped. I have some cream, so I'm adding, which is completely optional. You can add butter or ghee, and your Give it a good mix and your curry is ready to serve with roti, rice, naan or chapati. I hope you like this recipe. Do give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.